see this and this, they are all lies. Do this and your hair will not stop growing. Do this overnight and your hair will grow like crazy. Do you really believe that? If you believe such means, please leave it in the comment section down below. While we discuss this, I'm going to be retwisting and moisturizing my hair. I already did this part of my hair. I just finished washing my hair and I washed with black soap, not mixed, not processed, just black soap, and I deep conditioned with this organic conditioner. I'm not about to advertise any products, but that is what I deep conditioned with because my hair has stayed longer than necessary. I had my protective style on for about 3 months or 2 months plus, and my hair was beginning to break because I neglected it too much. I was being the lazy natural. Moisturizing with this miracle leave-in conditioner, coconut oil, and shea butter. That is like the basic thing. As we get into this moisturizing and retwisting routine, so I want us to talk about this type of videos. So basically, I get angry, or truly I get really angry when I see videos like this online where they say I did this overnight and my hair did not stop growing. Piece of it. So I'm not disputing the fact that we have to make catchy thumbnails and catchy titles, but making catchy titles of lies is what I don't subscribe to. So most people that say do this and your hair grows overnight, go through their pages, check their videos. 6 months ago, their hair were stopped at a certain length, and 6 months later, their hair is still the same. Most of those people don't even experience growth because they manipulate their hair so much. And I just wonder why you will subscribe to such lies. When the same person that is telling you do this, your hair will not stop growing, is the same person that will come again 3 months later and show you a video of I did this and my hair has never stopped growing. Like the same person with the same hair length will still come and say I did this and my hair has not stopped growing, and then we buy to those lies. I wonder why we subscribe to such kind of videos and they get so many clicks. Do this, just one ingredient and your hair will not stop growing. First of all, everybody grows inches of hair. We all grow our hair every day. It is a normal routine for every human to grow inches of hair. That is the reason we cut our hair without any form of protection or anything. Our hair still grow back, and that is because everybody is designed to grow inches of hair. So you grow about half inch every month, and in 2 months you have 1 inch of hair. If you are properly taking care of your hair, you won't lose that length. But if you lose that length that you've grown, your hair is going to be stuck in one place. I'm not about to call out anyone on this video. I'm not about to say natural hair content creators are liars. Most of us are actually trying to make money off naive people, and then we keep posting use this oil and your hair will grow in 2 days. Use this oil. If people that even say 2 days are very, very nice, overnight hair growth, your hair is just going to grow the next day, and then you see the same length of hair that was used in the last video also being used in that present video. You see the same length of hair that was also used in overnight hair growth, and your hair will never stop growing. I used this and I regretted using it because my hair never stops growing. And then you see another video from the same creator saying I used this and my hair never stopped growing, doing the same video with the same length of hair, the same inches, no difference. And then tomorrow again they post another video, and people rush this kind of videos again. Like, when will you stop lying to us, and why do we keep falling for your lies? How do you keep saying this is your perfect remedy? I guarantee you that this remedy is going to work, and then at the end of the day you still have the same length of hair making the next video. Why do we fall for these lies? I just wonder why we fall so much for this kind of lies. And then I'm not about to also say that we don't have genuine people who tell you the real tea and the real tips on how to grow natural hair, but I think videos like that should stop coming to the public. Though showing the remedy, it is true that we have a lot of things like cloves that helps enhance hair growth. But you see, these ones that say your hair will grow in 1 day, I think they are liars, and I think you should stop clicking on those kind of videos, or click on those kind of videos so they can make money actually. Don't stop clicking on those kind of videos anyway. So I'm not about to drag any channel, but we all know them and we all know the thumbnails that sell. But I actually know that people who do treatments. I'm just showing you the ones you can use, the ones that could help you grow your hair long and healthy. So but if you are actually clicking on those videos, today you click on banana mask will help your hair grow, and then you do banana mask and your hair did not grow overnight, then you click on another video, hibiscus leaf will make your hair grow and your hair will not stop growing, and then you click on that video and you try it, your hair did not stop growing, your hair did not even grow an inch, then you click on another video that says use avocado oil, avocado this, and your hair will not stop growing, and then you click on that video and you try it, it did not work for you, I advise that you should actually stay with one. If it is avocado that you've watched, I advise you actually practice or try using that for a longer period of time, maybe 1 to 3 months, and know if this is actually going to work for you, because I am telling you now that there is nothing like overnight hair growth. So if they are showing you this remedy, you that is the clicker, click on it, pick what they have done. If it's clove oil, click on it, pick on the clove oil, and don't stop using clove oil and then start using carrot oil the next day. Continue using your clove oil just the way they've prescribed. Give yourself 2 to 3 months and see if it actually works. Don't just click on this castor oil, clove oil will grow your hair real quick. In the next 1 day you have 20 inch of hair, and then use clove for only 1 day, you expect that your hair should have 20 inch, and when the 20 inch isn't coming, you just get angry and then go to another video that says banana leaf will grow your hair, and then when banana leaf doesn't grow your hair, you try, just stop jumping. If you are actually interested in DIYs and you see one rice water it will grow your hair, try rice water over and over again. Try it for about 2 to 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, and see how it actually plays out for you, and not being lied to, and don't let yourself to be lied to. So try it and stay consistent with it, because for every hair growth journey there is consistency. If there is no consistency in your wash, there should be consistency in your moisturizing routine. If there is no consistency in your moisturizing routine, there should be consistency in your preventing breakage routine. That is the only way you can have a skull full of hair, long natural hair. So you should have a consistent routine. In my channel I do the lazy girl method because I am a mom of two and I have a lot of things on my plate. I don't have help here. My stand here, or my take here, is that the natural hair community should be censored and lies should be reduced. If you're a Christian, Biko, stop lying so much. Just, you can lie a little bit so that these clickers will actually click on your video. But you as a clicker, please learn that whatsoever they are advising, it's not going to grow your hair in 1 day. It's going to take weeks, months, years for your hair to actually get that length that you want. Imagine your hair just start coming out, and start going. I beg, my sister, won't you run? So it's going to take years, weeks, months for it to actually work. So every do this and tomorrow your hair will grow is a lie. You see this kind of video, it's a lie. Don't take it seriously. So if you're actually teaching people that they should grow the way to grow their hair, then you should teach them the right way. Ask them to learn how to properly moisturize their hair, how to properly wash their hair, how to properly prevent breakage. So guys, I am embarking on a 6 months natural hair growth journey. If you are in any way interested in joining me, please leave it in the comment section below, and we will be having updates every month. So what I basically do is I put my hair in protective styles and I leave it for as long as possible, which is the best way I figured out I could grow my natural hair without any interruption. So if you are interested in this 6 months hair growth, please leave it in the comment section. Or if you think I should open a Patreon group for it, where we can talk about things that this natural hair community are not telling us, where we can actually work hand in hand in growing our hair without it being the only thing we are doing with our lives, then please leave it in the comment section. And then in 6 months time, this is January, by June we'll have something to show for it. I'm just going to keep updating monthly on what my growth or what my journey has been, and tips I gathered, and what I think is best for you to also think about these videos. Do you click on them? Do you think it should be allowed? Do you watch them? Do you move with them? Do you practice or practicalize what has been said just once and click out? Or do you try it consistently? Have you seen results? Have you seen an overnight result like they actually said? Is it possible to have an overnight hair growth? Is it possible to just try a remedy and the next day you have 8 inches of hair on your hair? Is it possible? Have you done it? Have you tried it? Did it work for you? If, or have you seen someone it worked out for, just a day remedy, 2 days remedy, your hair never stopped growing? Please leave it in the comment section down below. Let's converse on that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for always coming back to this channel. Please leave it. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share this video to someone who may need it. See you guys in my next one. Bye.